maintenant quelques 2 minutes de ce cours de formation. On est tout près sur la grille, on se prépare beaucoup, on est en train d'observer la zone des stands, on voit les images de l'enfant. Mr. getting out of his car. The applause of the mechanics lining the pit wall, the pit barrier. Attendez, Michael Kynan, il est là également. Et on va bien entendu avoir le podium dans quelques instants. Il manque encore Rubens Barrichello qui va compléter également ce podium. La Ferrari du Brésilien qui a perdu gros dans un ravitaillement un petit peu long avec une roue avant à David Coulthard.
When I dropped down to third place, it's one thing believing you have a quick car, it's another thing finding a way past. And I have to say, initially, I had a lot of understeer, and Rubens was actually quicker. But once the car sort of settled down, then I was able to sort of play to the strengths that I had, which I was very good on the brakes. We ran quite low wing to be good at the end of the straight, to give me the opportunity to get in the inside. And from there, I just felt that I always knew that I had the chance to overtake, and it was just a question of weighing up the risk. And I have to say that in the end, both Rubens and Michael were very fair, hard but fair, and it was a good race.
There is always a little bit unhappiness with the car. You're never 100% pleased. But the reality is, we were the quickest cars on the track, so I cannot complain too much.
It was just settling on the race and making it easy a little bit for Michael. And basically, I thought at the beginning I could handle it quite well, David behind me, but then after, 10-15 laps, the tires were starting to give up a little bit, and his car was quite fast and quite fast on the straight as well. So then it was quite difficult because he put a lot of pressure on the braking, and I was in difficulties on the braking, and then he overtook me on the exit of the corner.